Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Tuesday, June 5th, 2018, and we are at 14501 Southeast Laurie Avenue in Milwaukee, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we're outside the home. This is our front door, front porch, and the way we access the sewer line is through a cleanout, which is just right off the front porch here in the we'll call it the landscape bed or the flower bed. You can see I've dug up a plastic sewer line cleanout here. It was about 6 inches below the surface of the soil. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in here and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we go. We're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. That way we'll know how far we've gone, and we'll begin our inspection. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 2005. We are in a mixed aged neighborhood. There are a couple of homes that are about the same age. Most of the homes here are older. We'll make a quick note that at about 12 feet we transitioned from a 3-inch to a 4-inch ABS plastic line. That's what we're inside of right now, black ABS plastic. The reason I mentioned the age of the home is it gives us an idea of what kind of sewer line material to expect. Again, we're inside of a modern plastic. This is what has been in use since the mid-70s, still in use today for new construction. But given the age of the neighborhood, it is probably likely that we'll see some older sewer line material. And here at about 25 feet into the inspection, we are seeing some standing water. Not very much. This is what I would call minor standing water. It's important to note that the camera head on this equipment is about 1/2 of an inch off the surface of the floor, so what may look like a lot of water when we are looking at it through this camera angle may not seem like very much if you were able to actually open the pipe up and look at it from the inside. Anything more than that, and we would probably start to talk about some kind of corrective action. But part of the reason we don't in this case is because the modern plastics are very smooth on the inside, and they don't tend to hold on to debris. So a little bit of standing water doesn't necessarily mean there's ever going to be an issue. Here at about 52 feet into the inspection, we are transitioning to a concrete, I guess we'll call this looks like a lateral, which means that this is where the city sewer main is. That's what we're looking at right now. Pull the camera back out just a smidge. You can see how much larger this pipe is. Plus, you can see the water that's running perpendicularly to the pipe that we were just in. Generally speaking, these inspections run from the cleanout to the main, which is what we've done. There was a little bit of standing water at 25 feet. That lasted about 3 to 4 feet. That amount of standing water is what I would call minimal, not to be confused with the amount of water that I would normally call out a repair for. So at this point I'm just going to recommend monitoring that, although that would probably be monitored the next time a sewer scope was completed. And other than that, the line seems to be installed and operating properly, so I'm not going to make any further recommendations. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video now. Thank you very much.